What's going on, guys? GameGuy here, and today I'm going to show you this really cool mod. I think it's called Explode, like Explode Bow, Explosion Bow. I'm sorry, I'm just eating chips right now, and I'm super hungry. So this is really cool mod. Look at that. When you shoot it, it creates an explosion. It's really cool mod. And how do you get all on this mod? I made a previous video about a Lucky Blocks mod, how to get these. Well, you download Minecraft Master for Minecraft. It's only available on Google Play, sadly, not iOS, only Android. Forgive me, well, it's not really my fault. But yeah, you can get tons of mods there. You can download maps, get skins, and lots of other things. I just blew up this whole area only by using this bow. I think you can potentially kill yourself. Well, that's amazing. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I will be making many really short videos of either how-tos or new mods that I find. Anyways, so please leave a like on the video and subscribe, and I will see you guys later.